Who's gonna eat?
Daddy.
A real man doesn't come back with a baguette.
A real man what? Hey.
I'm gonna get.
Hi. No. Hi. Hi. His cheeks are so pink. Are they always that pink? No. Yeah? Yeah. You have hiccups? And then what else happened? Hey, are you fine? I'm just chilling, Mama. Just chilling. He wants to tell you all this stuff. Like you can see, he wants to say all this stuff.
You're so cute. Really? Oh. Wow.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Had a whole conversation with your mama, didn't you?
You got a better mood on it. You're happy go
I know.
He's happy go lucky.
Jeff, you know how much I wanted to tell you. Because you were wearing like an bird. Oh, he was kind of chewing on it before when he was.
The baby Bjorn.
Yeah.
All of it right at that level.